Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this brand new carbonized gray 2021 Bronco Sport. In the Big Bend trim, this Bronco Sport comes packed with a 200A equipment group with features such as heated front seats, a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a push button ignition, not to mention a windshield wiper de-icer, a touchscreen for your miscellaneous vehicle settings, as well as your audio controls and the feed from your backup camera, as well as automatic climate control and a USB port. This Bronco Sport has everything that you need to ensure a comfortable ride in the Canadian environment. Thanks for watching. There is a lot more to show you about this Bronco Sport than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show it to you in person. So for more information or to even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store, or if you want us to bring this Ford Bronco Sport out to you at your Calgary area home or office for your test drive. And have yourself a fantastic day.